Let's give Simple Mesh some real challenges. I have a house model here, so let's test how powerful Simple Mesh's batch processing ability is. This model is very detailed, with hundreds of meshes. Let's see if Simple Mesh can batch process all the meshes and create LODs for all of them. First, let's drag all the objects into the Simple Mesh Target Objects section. As we can see, there are 250 objects in total. The preview is getting laggy. I'm not sure if Simple Mesh can handle all of them. Let's go with 5 LOD levels. I'm just going to use auto-generate. Here we go. Wow, it's already done? That took less than 10 seconds. We did 5 levels and there are 250 objects, which means Simple Mesh just generated 1,250 LODs with different meshes in less than 10 seconds. That's pretty insane. And if you're unhappy with the generation, simply click Remove LODs. Over 1,000 generated LODs are instantly removed from 250 objects. Simple Mesh can also generate LODs for combined meshes. I used Mesh Baker to combine all the meshes in this scene. By the way, this is not the best way to combine these meshes, but we will be focusing on LOD creation. And we don't want to make it too easy for Simple Mesh. I'll drag this combined mesh to the Target Objects section, enable Auto-Generate LODs, and then just click Generate LODs. We created 5 LOD levels, and we can see the mesh was simplified by more than 50%. It looks like around 40% is the threshold for maximum simplification, and 4 levels of LOD are enough. We can delete one LOD level or just remove everything and adjust the settings to create the LODs again. Let's create a billboard for this combined mesh too. Make sure to enable Generate Billboard before generating the LODs. This billboard didn't generate properly. Let's reset the billboard camera by closing the Simple Mesh window and reopening it from the Tools menu. I'll remove all the previous generations and quickly adjust the position of the mesh a bit. Now it looks way better. Again, when creating a billboard, we'll need to assign each level of LODs manually. Don't forget to add one more level for the billboard if the LOD group didn't create enough levels. Creating a billboard requires more fine control over the LOD settings, so don't create billboards in batch. Try creating everything for one mesh first, and then convert it into a prefab if you need multiple objects. If you're not sure how to create a prefab from the generated LODs, check out my previous tutorial videos. When I tested the result, there was an issue with the camera, so the LODs aren't working properly. This camera issue could be caused by the position of the combined mesh. A simple way to fix this issue is to temporarily remove the billboard from the combined mesh object, then remove all LODs from the mesh and generate the LODs again without the billboard. Since there's no billboard generated this time and all LODs are already assigned, all we need to do is add one more LOD level for the billboard. Put the previously generated billboard back into the object as a child object and assign it to the LOD component. Now everything is functioning perfectly. And that's it.